Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you? Okay, welcome to this video in which we are going to show you that how you can use the functionalities of Excel to Microsoft Excel. Yeah, to solve these handwritten questions, which you normally write on the paper, or you use a paintbrush and you just write it. Now, how to develop the solution of it, right? So what we do is that we have written this using the paintbrush, right? If you want to write anything, you take a brush here and you use the width of the writing means pen, the nib of the pen, right? If you want to, and then you select it in here. You can also select the color, and then you can start typing in your own handwriting, right? And this how you have written the solution, the problem. Now the solution, we have to use the Excel to find out the value of X. Okay, so we take this image. We take this image into our Excel, right? And how do we do that? Normally, we have the Shift key. We have to hold down the Shift key, the Windows key, and press S. So this will bring the selection, and then you make a selection of your all these area which you want to select, and proceed to Excel. And here we paste it, right? So this is what we have brought. Now we start with the X. So X, we have X is unknown, right? X is not known. Okay, and we have to say pass this expression into bits and pieces. First is 7 raised to power x, right? 7, we will put equal to 7, and then raised to power, that is the exponentation symbol, caret symbol, and then C2 is x, right? So since it is 0, so anything raised to power 0 is always 1. That's fine. Okay, 7 raised to power x we have done. The next is what? The next is 7 raised to power 12. Okay, so we have equal to 7, and we have used this 7 raised to power 12, right? But this is exponentation symbol we use, and then we write 12, right? So this gives you a definite value, that is uh, this is 7 raised to power 12, right? So these two things we have done, and uh, the in you have the 7 raised to power x again, so we write it again here, and then we have 7 raised to power 2 and 7 raised to power 2. Okay, so 7 raised to power 2 comes to 49. That's right. Okay, so what is this? We are summing. We are doing the summation of these two, right? We do the summation of the 7 raised to power x plus 7 raised to power 12. These two are added. So 201 and the plus 1. So this makes 202. The rest is there. Okay. And this 49 plus 1 makes 50. That's right. Okay. So this is simplified. And the next is all we need to do is solve this. Means the uh, the expression on the top divided by expression on the bottom, right? So that is what we have done in here. You can see this divided by this. Oh, simple. So this we have reached to this condition. Okay, now this is the value upon which we are supposed to. This is the value which is uh, yeah, okay. This is the value of this divided by this. Fine. Okay. Now this whole thing is going to be raised to power 1 oblique 5. That is fifth root. Whenever we have any number of root, so for whatever is the number, so that is going to be written as a power raised to power 1 oblique that number, that is 5. Okay, so this is the fifth root of this, right? Okay, fifth root is now calculated. Okay, now since everything is now ready, all we need to determine the x value of x, right? So that we have to point it. This has to be 7, right? Because the equation says that the solution of this expression will be 7. Okay, so we use the goal C. So let's go to the what if analysis. In the goal C, we set this cell, yeah, because this is 48. We want this to be the value of 7. Okay, and what we need to change, we want to keep changing x value. This is the value of x. Okay, so we clicked on it, and all we need to do is press enter. So that's it. You have the 7. The solution is already here. Okay, so you don't worry about this. We do it. We reduce this. Yeah. Okay. Okay. That's fine. So these are the values which were used in solving the solution and ensuring that the solution is 7. So the final value of x, the x value is 7, right? So if we take all this and we put it like this, it will Excel provides you a way to explain to your students in a better manner like this. Okay, so this is telling you that which of the expression is when calculated, what value is coming, right? So you can see that because these are the value are simply linked. These are linked to E2, right? E2 is this A23549. Okay, and this one is linked to F2. Yeah, this is F2. E2 plus F2 divided by what this is E2 again, because 7 is power x is always E2, and then 7 is square, 7 raised to power 2, right? So that is F2, F3. Yeah. So you can use the same expression to better understand that what expression is being resolved with what value, right? And this how it is being prepared. And let's bring the complete solution. If you want the complete solution to be presented to you, it is simply like this. This is the complete solution showing the values of all the ingredients, all the things which are composing all these expressions, right? So 7x is this, and this is 7 raised to power 12, and both are added. So this becomes this, okay, 7. This is 132, okay, to 741. This one, and this is divided by this, okay. So which is the addition of these two things, okay, and this makes this figure, right? And fifth root of this is obviously the solution 7. And we have used goal seek. We have shown you how we can make use of functionalities of Excel, and this can serve you in a in your classroom if you are teaching your students, boys, girls, or in the student or the you are educating your kids to be friendly or to the Excel, right? And Excel is very user friendly, and it can be used to educate the people, your trainees in your department, for example. So they would love to learn all these skills, and that will make their career and their life easy and using the automation. Now, one more automation is here. We show you that how do we include this problem into the database. So we have put the same equation into the next row, right? And we have added a question, and we just added one more thing, means I simply copied it into here, so that becomes 117, right? Because this is a formula which always take the row number, right? And this is the actual Excel aptitude chapter, and this is the question which you want to put, and the answer is obviously 7, and the multiple choice which you want to display to your question in here, and all you need to do is go to this will display, although the picture is tiny there, but it adjusts it, right? If you double click, it takes you to the other questions, takes you to the other question, double click, keep double clicking, and it will and you can attempt on the answers, right? And this is these all questions we have already attempted in previous videos, right? And this is our today's question. So the this is your question, and you have to attempt the answer. What is the value of x? If you put a wrong answer, you will get a big no in it, because this is not true. The right answer which we calculated was 7. The value of x is 7, right? If you go and see the value of x was determined as 7, right? So 7 is the right answer. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching.